Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Golf Mk7 service light. First, find the 0.0 or trip reset button on your instrument cluster. It's usually near the speedometer. Make sure your car's ignition is fully off before you begin. This guide will help you clear both the oil change and inspection service warnings, getting your dashboard back to normal quickly and easily. To reset the oil change service light, start by pressing and holding the 0.0 button. While keeping it held, turn your ignition on, but do not start the engine. Continue to hold the button until you see the message Reset Oil Change Service appear on your display. Once this prompt shows up, you can release the button. For the inspection service light, turn your ignition off completely. Then, press and hold the 0.0 button once more. While still holding it, turn the ignition back on. Keep holding until Reset Inspection Service appears. At this point, release the button and then immediately press it again briefly to confirm the reset. This should clear the inspection reminder. After performing both resets, turn your ignition off and then back on to confirm that the service light warnings have been successfully cleared from your display. You should no longer see any service reminders. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.